Hi, my name is Matt Goms. Again, we're talking about marching band and choreography. We're discussing the basics of forward and backwards marching. Right now, what we want to talk about is backwards marching. Okay, we've already discussed forward. Backup is a lot different. Backwards, the idea behind backwards is to make sure that, again, your body, you start with the correct posture, standing up straight. I like to use the analogy of a pool. If you're standing or treading water in the side of a pool and you're holding on to the side of the pool, the next thing that you're going to want to do, if you're going to take off, is you want to push off of the pool and push away from it. Okay? So you're going to end up taking all your weight with me. First, you want to find a good balanced platform with your feet. Okay? You want to roll up onto the toes as high as you can go, and then roll back down just a little bit, just enough where my heels are going to be just above the grass form, where I could stand here like this all day long comfortably without actually being flat on my feet. Okay, now the pool analogy again, take your hands and you're going to want to push your weight back all at the same time, so that again we don't get any of the foot first, weight later, anything like that, or head first and then falling into the thing. You want to make sure that your weight all goes at the same time like this. Another thing that you want to remember when backwards marching, again, is knee and heel placement, making sure that when you pick up the foot that it actually drags across the top of the grass. It's going to skim across the top so that you're not picking up the leg and doing kind of this prancing pony thing going backwards, okay? Don't want to pick those knees up too high. Make sure they stay low to the ground and that you're pushing off of the front foot away. And you almost kind of want to extend the foot just a little bit so that your toe is pointing as you continue to move backwards away from the direction that you're going.